Welcome to TechnologyMatch.com. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate the TechnologyMatch marketplace and find the right solutions for your needs. Once you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you can search for solutions, view recent matches, revisit saved searches, and keep track of the vendors that you've connected with. Let's start by running a search. I'm currently looking for a managed cloud solution, so I'll head to the search bar and type in managed cloud. Now, all relevant solutions will appear. You can browse through the options and select the one that best aligns with your needs. Once you've found a solution that fits, click Accept Match. You'll be prompted to fill out your evaluation timeframe, your expected purchase timeline, and your role in a decision-making process. This helps vendors understand your needs and engage with you more effectively. After you've matched with a solution, it will appear in your My Matches tab. From there, you can easily view the solution details or explore the vendor's profile. When searching, don't forget to use filters to narrow down your results. If you'd like to come back to a refined search later, just click the heart button up here. Saved searches are stored under the Save Searches tab for quick access. You can also favorite any solutions you're considering but not quite ready to match with. These will be stored under Favorite Solutions so you can return later to make a final decision. Once you've matched with a vendor, they will appear under your My Vendors tab. This makes it easy to revisit vendors you're interested in and keep the relationship moving forward. Let's take a look at My Messages. This is where you can chat directly with vendors, ask questions, and keep communication flowing. Lastly, under My Calendar, you'll be able to book meetings with vendors directly from the platform. And that's it! You're ready to start discovering, matching, and connecting with the right solutions in the TechnologyMatch marketplace.